Hi, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel Arti-culate with Gauri Kamboj. Welcome back, dear friends. Today we are going to make something that has become lately very popular and trending. It's a charm or symbol to ward off the evil eye. The evil eye symbol has been found through thousands of years of history across cultures. The symbol most often depicts concentric circles in the shape of an eye. It is used to ward off variations of evil intentions. It is trending right now in all forms. Here we are going to make a wall hanging to be placed on the door or outside our home. Some of the things that we will need for this project are a mirror. Any shape or size will do, but the size of the mirror will dictate the size of the charm that we are going to make. We will need two pieces of cardboard. The cardboard should be larger than the mirror with some space left around for the frame of the mirror. Next, we are going to need some string. Here I am using white colored string from an unused mop. We will also need some pistachio shells. Some molding clay or craft clay can be made out of maida or plaster of Paris, some white gesso and glass colors, along with a glue gun, some medium to dissolve our golden acrylic color. To begin with, let's draw the outline of the mirror on the cardboard. This will help us to create the frame. Draw the shape of the eye on the cardboard, making sure that the mirror will remain within the shape of the eye when cut out. The shape of the frame has to be cut out on two pieces of cardboard. Only the front of the frame will have the inner eye cut out, through which the mirror will show. The back of the frame only has the outer shape of the eye. With the help of Fevicol, we will stick the mirror on the back of the frame and then place the front of the frame, making sure that both sides align perfectly while the inner eye is seen through as the mirror. After this, with the help of the string and the pistachio shells, we will create the hanging decorative element of interest to hang under the charm. With the aid of the glue gun, I am sticking together the pistachio shells to create little buds, each at one end of the string, making about 10 of them. This element can be customized as per the material available at home. In the next step, we will use the clay to seal off any spaces left between the mirror and the two cardboard pieces. Once the clay dries, we can use white gesso to paint all the surfaces of the frame. The gesso will take only about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Now we can draw any kind of pattern on the flat surface of the frame. Here I am going for some swirls, some curved lines and a couple of circles. Since the shape of the eye is not very symmetrical, the design need not be symmetrical. After this, we roll out the clay in thin strings and arrange them on the design that is drawn, sticking it with the help of Fevicol. I believe this kind of art form is called lippen art. I'm doing it for the very first time, so it's a little crude. The clay that I'm using here is also homemade. It is made with 1 part plaster of Paris, 1 part Fevicol, a little bit of water and some maida. The ingredients have to be combined well and kneaded for nearly 5 to 10 minutes to get a really flexible and smooth, crack-free clay. Now allowing everything to dry. The next step is the coloring. The hanging decorations need to be colored. I want the strings to be black because the charm is going to be black and gold. I thought that soaking the strings into some acrylic paint would be the fastest way to do it. Once the strings with the buds dry, we are going to paint the pistachio shells golden, along with a couple of highlights on the string as well. After this, the frame of the evil eye charm is painted black with acrylic color, making sure that the color gets into all the different curls and twirls of the clay design. Once the black color has dried completely, use a sponge to apply acrylic gold color to highlight the clay design on the charm. This is absolutely my favorite part. Within a couple of seconds, you have this lovely design emerging, which transforms the piece completely, making it look like an antique evil eye charm. In the next stage of this project, we are creating the last but not the least important central concentric circle of the charm, the dark blue and the light blue evil eye itself. These are usually made in glass or ceramic. To imitate that particular effect, I am using some aluminum foil and the molten plastic or glue of the glue gun. Drawing a couple of concentric circles on the aluminum foil, use the glue gun to cover the entire circular surface with molten plastic or glue. To get the glue to spread evenly on the aluminium foil, heat the aluminium foil on a warm surface. For the hanging element, use more clay to attach the pistachio buds and string to the main evil eye frame. While the clay is drying out, create the circular evil eye by cutting off the extra aluminium foil around the glue. Draw out more concentric circles inside the evil eye. With the help of a 3D glass outliner which comes with the glass colors, define the concentric circles of the eye. The darkest blue goes in the very center, then a lighter blue, then comes white, and then finally the dark blue at the very edge. Make sure that there are no bubbles trapped in the glass colors. We want the eye to look smooth as glass. There, the glass eye is ready. Now we have to let it dry completely before fixing it in the center of the mirror with the help of Fevicol. Attach a string at the back and the eye is ready to hang. There you go, that's how it looks. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.